racist. Let's talk about the truth. There is so much discourse lately about who is native and who is indigenous, and even the nerve to bring up who is the architect of soul food. And what everyone needs to understand is that black people are the earth. Black people are the only unmutated humanity. They told you humans came from Africa like it was a migration story. But that's not the truth. The truth is, Africa is the first face of the earth. And blackness is the source of all biology. Everyone else? Genetic drift, mutational echo, survival glitches adapted to ice and exile. Let's talk origins. The black woman is the womb of the world. Forget the Eve in the garden story. That was a stolen metaphor. The real Eve lives in the woman's mitochondria. And not just any women. Melanin-rich, thick-hipped, thick-lipped, and copper-toned. Elegant, poised, literally perfect, planet-rooted black women. White women don't carry the full ancestral genome. Asian, Mexican, and Native women only carry fragments. Black women carry the total code. She doesn't reproduce diversity. She births the whole species. When small African offshoot groups migrated north, they weren't evolving. They were mutating, adapting to survival, not thriving. That's where lighter skin, narrow nostrils, reduced melanin, and behavioral changes began. All signs of environmental stress, not superiority. You don't get white by evolving. You get white by forgetting the sun. And that forgetting is not advancement, it's progression. The white genome contains 1 to 4% Neanderthal DNA. Let me repeat, they didn't just descend from humans. They were cavemen. Black people have 0 Neanderthal admixture. That's not a joke. That's biology. Black people are the originals. Non-black people are the remix. The term indigenous was invented by settlers to decide who was native enough to be managed, named, and displaced. But indigenous is a political term, not a genetic one. And political terms can't overwrite blood memory. Being first on the continent does not make you first on the planet. However, black people being first on the planet means they are first on every continent. The black genome is Earth's source code. Everyone else is just running a copy of their biological operating system. The war against black genetics is a war against humanity. Melanin isn't pigment, it's the processor. It's the molecule that translates solar energy into life. Plants have it, animals have it, humans need it. Black people have the highest concentration of it, which means black people don't just live on Earth, they translate it. They are not just a race, they are the root species.
He speaks the truth, y'all. This is what we try to teach you here at The Spot. Check out our videos. Check out our lives. We constantly are telling you that there's a big difference. You understand me? A big difference when it comes to the original man and woman. The original humans and their descendants. And those of the Neanderthal spawns. We tell you how to recognize the descendants of the original man and woman by that 9-ether corally carbon crown that grows out the top of their head, stretching forth towards the sun. We tell you how all those on the planet that have that 9-ether crown are 100% dominant human beings. Those with the straight, coarse, wavy hair. Those are the ones with the recessive and dominant Neanderthal chromosomes. These are just the facts, and this is why all over the planet, those with the 9-ether carbon crowns, the 14% of the world's population, are oppressed and looked down upon, are envied. But if you take these carbon beings, these 9-ether beings, away from the planet, there would be no other humans in existence, for it was the 9-ether black man and woman, the original man and woman, who created the Neanderthal spawns, those known as the mutations. All the other races on this planet are the result of the Y chromosome of the 9-ether being, the woman, being infused, grafted with the primate, to create these Neanderthal spawn hybrids that they call modern humans. We hope you enjoyed this. We're going to continue to bring you the knowledge, you know what I'm saying, and draw attention to the facts that the black man and woman are the cream of the universe, God's chosen people. Let us know what you think in the comments. Keep it respectful. Hit that like and subscribe. Share the video. And smash that notification bell so you can get notified the next time we drop. Safety first. We out.